a software program Bluej, which is an integrated development environment IDE for Java programming language. In order to install Bluej, we will start a web browser. We will search for Bluej on Google. Click on the website www.bluej.org. We can see the homepage of Bluej. It is a free Java development environment designed for beginners. As we scroll down, we see different releases of the software for different operating systems. As we have 32-bit Windows operating system, we will install version 4.14. We will click and download the installer files of Bluej. We can see that its size is of 192 MB and it includes JDK. Now we will click the MSI installer. As the file is large, it will take some time to download the file. After the installer file gets downloaded, we will click it and run it on our system to install Bluej IDE. This will start the Bluej setup screen. Click on the next button and will install it for all users. Click next button to set up for shortcuts. Click next button for default destination folder options. Then click install button to start Bluej installation. Click Finish button to complete Bluej installation. And now we are ready to create new programs in Java. Enjoy life, keep learning.